Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jasmine Zulaika binti Muhammad Shah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hadisa binti Ahmad Faisal.
And today I'm going to present about principle of electroocular (EOG). What is electroocular? EOG is an instrument used to measure the voltage between two electrodes placed on the face of a subject, so it can detect eye movement. And how does EOG works? Firstly, EOG signals are passed to the first stage of amplifier that consists instrumentation amplifier for primary amplification. The amplified EOG signals were given to a pair of high-pass filters for the elimination of low-frequency signals for it pass high-frequency EOG signals. Then, the signals are passed to a pair of low-pass filters to eliminate the high-frequency noise. After the elimination process is done, instrumentation amplifier eliminates for input impedance matching and make the amplifier suitable for use in measurement and test equipment. Basically, it will give great accuracy and stability of the circuit both short and long term. The EOG signals are filtered out to remove unwanted components. Finally, notch filter remove the power, the interference to avoid overlap of measurement bandwidth and distort measurement result. So, let's move on to the next topic, which is properties of electrode. There is 4 EOG electrodes, which is stable electrode potential, equal electrode potential, equal electrode resistance, and low electrode resistance. There are 2 types of EOG signals. Firstly, vertical signal. Secondly, horizontal signals. There are 3 ways of electrode placement. First way is a horizontal. That means vertical lines represent the alternating dipoles as eyes are moved from left to right. Second way, vertical. That means horizontal lines represent the movement of the eyes up and down. And the last way is a reference. The electrode were placed on the center of the subject forehead.
Now, we go to the signal and noise. Signal and noise have 2 types of electrode signal. First is EOG signal. Second is VOG signal. What is VOG signal? EOG is horizontal electrocoologram signal and VOG signal is vertical electrocoologram signal. What is EOG signal? When eyes move from center to left direction, a small positive spike of voltage is detected and amplitude remains constant as long as the eyes are to the left. When eyes move from center to the right, a negative spike of voltage is detected and this amplitude remains constant. For a time duration as long as the eyes are to the right, the voltage comes to a stable value when the eyes come back to the center from the right. Next is VOG signal. VOG signal is when the eyes move from center to top direction, a small positive spike of voltage is detected, and this amplitude remains constant for a time duration as long as the eyes are pointed to the top. The voltage comes to a stable value when the eyes come back to the center from the top. When the eyes move from the center to the bottom, a negative spike of voltage is detected, and this amplitude remains constant for a time duration as long as the eyes are pointed downwards. The voltage comes to a stable value when the eyes come back from down to center position. For our additional information, signal and noise have blink signal too. Blink signal have 2 signals. What are those 2 signals? The 2 signals from the blink signal are voluntary blink signal and involuntary blink signal. Voluntary blink signal is when the eyes are blinked voluntarily, a large positive spike of voltage can be detected. This detected spike is very instantaneous and remains only for a time period of 1 millisecond. Next is involuntary blink signal. Involuntary blink signal, this detected voltage spike is very small compared to voluntary blink and thus can be filtered out.